Welcome, dear audience, to the Technical Forum of Hydrogen and Fuel Cells Europe. And yeah, you can come up. The next speaker is Joris Ummels. He's the Business Development Manager, or business developer, right?
Business developer, correct.
Business developer. And he will talk about, you can read it.
Yeah.
And the main thing is, I think, the coating production, and it's a worldwide big company.
Correct. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Joris Ummels. I'm Business Developer Sales Manager at IHI Ionbond Group. Today I'm here to represent two companies, both within the IHI Group. That is Hauzer TECHNO Coating, who designs, assembles and commissions PVD coating equipment. And I represent Ionbond, who does basically PVD coating as a service. So first, something about IHI Hauzer TECHNO Coating. So they belong to IHI Group, which is a large Japanese multinational with over 200 companies in its portfolio. Headquartered in Tokyo, Japan, with over $14 billion in net sales. They basically are active in a lot of engineering and construction work. And Ionbond, as well as Hauzer, is one of these 200, or both one of these 200 companies. IHI Hauzer TECHNO Coating has about 200 employees in total worldwide, whereas of 50% of them has an engineering background. Hauzer TECHNO Coating designs, assembles, commissions PVD coating equipment, and we do the development of process, hardware, application, and also can assist in pilot production, whereas Ionbond, through its network of coating centers, can also assist with pilot production. We supply standard and also customized PVD coating equipment solutions. Of course, we're on a hydrogen fuel cell exhibition, so traditionally we are active in many segments, many fields of coating. But today, of course, I will emphasize on the protective and conductive coatings we try to market for metallic plates as used in PEM fuel cells and electrolyzers. So a little bit of history. It all started in 2009 with the development of the initial bipolar plate coating together with a interested party back then. As you know, hydrogen came and went over the last years. Now it's strongly there. As of 2012, we also started looking into inline coating equipment, as the number of plates to coat is expected to ramp up quite fast. And we also did the verification of our coatings with renowned German institutes such as ZBT and Fraunhofer to prove the coating is no longer the limiting factor to have a long durability of your fuel cell system. Concepts are there, have been made in the past for these inline systems to enable customers to coat high volumes of bipolar plates. And we've initiated, or Hauzer has initiated, the development or the design and also the manufacturing of a pilot inline system, which is ready as a demonstrator as of the fourth quarter of 2022. So this pilot inline machine that will be act as a demonstrator, it will be placed at Hauzer. It's a pilot machine that is an intermediate step towards full inline scale production for coating bipolar plates. It allows customers to sample large numbers of bipolar plates and also works as a technology validation step and also as a roadmap towards high volume inline equipment. As mentioned, operational as of the fourth quarter of this year. And it has the following features. It's a multi-chamber inline system with load lock in and load lock out, and has a carrier return track. So uncoated plates come in, coated plates come out. We have used the same technology as we have used for our batch equipment. So we've used what we know and implemented this in a large volume inline system. And all the modules, such as PVD and etching, are the same for the production machine. So it actually is a step towards the full inline production machine. Here's an impression of the system, how it will look like. So this is the demonstrator then. So we have in our portfolio several systems, several sizes of systems to enable customers to enter into this market. So initially what we use for prototyping at Hauzer is an F1250, which we call it, FlexiCode 1250, which is basically used for prototyping due to the limited size of the coating chamber. It has 7 cathode positions and can hold several deposition technologies. Technologies we need are combined magnetron and also SARC Plus technology. So this is just a step towards initial prototyping. When we move further into the higher and more higher volumes, we have FlexiCode. That's our largest batch system, the FlexiCode 1500 available. It has a coating diameter of the chamber of 1 meter in diameter and 1500 millimeters in height. And also this tool can be used to assist in the initial volumes of coating production, whereas depending on the plate size and the actual coating chosen, the production capacity of such a system per year is between 400,000 and 600,000 plates per year. And then the real stuff. So we also have inline equipment which you can use for upscaling. So this is where it eventually all will go through. There we have again 2 tastes. The compact model in the initial phase, a bit similar to the one that's currently under construction and almost ready to start its work at the end of the year. So this is everything between, can assist in coating everything between 600,000 and 3 million plates per year, where the coating price per plate is estimated to be below or in between half a euro and €1. That's for the intermediate phase. And then the real inline system, which has takt times of 1 minute. So every minute, once it's up to speed, every minute rack with coated plates will come out this system. So this has an annual capacity of over 10 million plates a year. And with this, we really can show. We also have cost of ownership models available. With this inline system, we clearly can show that for the coating only, we can reduce costs to in between 10 and 55 cents, depending on the actual size of the bipolar plate. As you can imagine, when you have less plates in the system, the coating per plate will be more expensive, of course. So, as you see, a whole scala of production equipment from initial prototyping to initial volume production towards high volume production, as we expect the ramp up to go quite fast in this industry. As mentioned, I represent 2 companies here today. So Hauzer, the equipment manufacturer, and Ionbond, the coating service provider. We basically approach this market together for coating bipolar plates in the fuel cell market, as initial investments for PVD coating equipment are quite high. So when the volumes are not there yet to justify the investment in equipment, we as Ionbond can assist in accepting job coating requests with the same Hauzer technology. So you can use Ionbond through its network of coating centers to coat the initial volumes until you can justify the business case to invest in pilot production equipment or high volume equipment. Ionbond, as mentioned, coating service provider within the same group. We have a network of coating centers of 35 centers worldwide, 11 in North America, 7 in Asia, and the other 17 or 18 are in Europe. Tend to be very close to the developed industrialized world, and through this network of coating centers, we can assist in coating your bipolar plates with the same technology as that was sampled initially through Hauzer. Ionbond offers in its coating service portfolio basically 2 coatings for bipolar plates. For PEM fuel cells, that is the titanium and carbon BiPVD technology, as Hauzer is also promoting. So we basically have the same coating in our portfolio. This is what we call everything towards medium lifetime expectation, so everything above 5,000 hours. suitable for passenger cars, trucks, and buses. Typically, it consists of a titanium corrosion and adhesion layer topped off with a carbon coating to act as a conductive surface for the stainless steel bipolar plate. Apart from the coating, the titanium plus carbon coating for PEM fuel cells, Ionbond also has a coating in its portfolio for coating electrolyzer bipolar plates for PEM electrolyzers. This is what we call the DOT technology, which is based on having a titanium underground. So either it's stainless steel coated with titanium PVD, or it's pure titanium substrate, so bipolar plate, which subsequently gets coated with a thermal spray of either gold droplets or platinum droplets. This technology is suited to act for extreme lifetime expectations, so everything above 10,000 hours. Can be used for trucks, buses, trains, and also electrolyzers. Done? Okay. Yeah, fine. Okay. That's
What
it already?
is the closing word?
Well, the closing word is for all your upscaling questions on PVD coating equipment, for whether you want to go in-house with equipment from Hauzer or want to use Ionbond services in the ramp-up phase. Please come and talk to us on booth C22. Thank you.
C22. Thanks a lot.
Yep.
If there's one question, we have time for one question before we change. Short question. There's one.
Okay, thank you for your presentation. What is the typical thickness of your anti-corrosion layer?
It's well below 500 nanometers. Well below that, yeah.
Okay, thanks a lot.
All right.
Booth 22, thanks a lot for your great presentation.
Yeah.
And if you want to see him and his colleagues, see
Yeah.
22.
Thank you for the opportunity. Have a good day.